Welcome to Akai Update. My name is Joseph Iyaji. I'm here to solve this question with you. But before I continue, I want to quickly use this opportunity to tell you that this tutorial is sponsored by Akai Tutors Ile-Ife, and Akai Tutors is located at number 67 Oduduwa College Road off Sabo Junction, Ile-Ife. Thank you. The question is, one of the functional classifications of a sentence is question, structure, category, group, rank, scale. For you to understand the correct option from this question, first, you have to know what a sentence is all about. Secondly, you have to know the types of sentence. Now, what is a sentence? A sentence is the largest unit of any language. A sentence is the largest unit of any human language. Of course, language is purely human. Now, we have two types of sentence. We have two types of sentence. To understand this question, you have to note that there are two types of sentence. We have sentence type according to function and according to structure. Sentence type according to function and according to structure. Sentence type according to function, we have declarative sentence. We have exclamatory sentence. We have imperative sentence, and we have interrogative sentence. A sentence type according to structure. Sentence type according to structure, we have simple sentence, we have compound sentence, we have complex sentence, we have compound complex sentence, we have multiple sentence, and we have multiple complex sentence. Don't forget, this question is from functional type of sentence, and the types are declarative, exclamatory, imperative, and interrogative sentence. So they say one of the functional classification of sentence. So in other words, sentence is classified into this functional and structural classification. Now, one of the type of functional classification of sentence is interrogative sentence, which is otherwise known as question. So our correct answer for this question is question, not structure, not category, not group. Another word for group in English grammar is phrase. So grammatical rank scale has to do with grammatical units or rank scale, grammatical units. Okay, starting with the smallest, we have morpheme, we have word, we have group of phrase, we have clause, sentence, we have others, till we have text. Of course, we have passages. We have paragraph, we have passage, we have others. The correct answer for this question is question. Before I conclude this tutorial, I want to also quickly remind you that this tutorial is sponsored by Akahi Tutors Ile-Ife. And Akahi Tutors is located at number 67, opposite Oduduwa College, Ile-Ife. Should you are interested in OAU post-UTME, OAU pre-degree, where this question is being set from, then you can call my number 080-38-644-328. Thank you. My name is Joseph Iyaji from Akahi Tutors Ile-Ife.